In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to take partials in Metatrader 5. By the end, you'll know exactly how to close a portion of an open trade to lock in profit while keeping the rest running. This is a great way to scale out of positions and manage risk without exiting entirely. First, open your trade panel. On your keyboard, press Ctrl+T to bring up the toolbox at the bottom of the platform. Then click the Trade tab. This is where you'll see all of your open positions, including the symbol, volume, entry price, and current profit or loss. Take a moment to confirm you've identified the correct trade you want to partially close, especially if you have multiple positions open. Next, open the order window for that trade. You can do this by double-clicking directly on the position in the Trade tab, or by right-clicking the position and selecting Modify or Delete. An order window will appear. This is your control panel for closing some or all of the trade. You'll see the instrument, current market price, and, importantly, the volume field. Now adjust the volume to the amount you want to close. This part is crucial. The number you enter is the portion you want to close, not what you want to keep. For example, if your original position is 1 tranche lot and you enter 0.5 in the volume field, you'll close 0.5 and leave 0.5 lots running. If your position is 0.1 san lot and you enter 0.05, you'll close half and keep 0.05 open. Make sure the amount you enter matches your market's minimum lot size and step size. If the volume isn't valid for that symbol, the close button may be disabled. Also confirm you're not typing a volume larger than the current position. When you're ready, click the yellow Close button. Metatrader 5 will close that portion of the trade at the current bid or ask, depending on direction. You'll see the realized profit or loss for the closed part reflected in your account history, and the remaining position's volume will update in the Trade tab. Your stop loss and take profit, if set, stay attached to the remaining position at the same price levels. You can adjust them afterward if you want to trail or tighten risk. That's all there is to taking partials in MT5. Repeat the same process anytime you want to scale out further. As a best practice, double-check the volume before you click Close, and be mindful that fast-moving markets and spreads can affect your fill. If you're new to this, practice on a demo account until it feels second nature.